Hello guys, in this new video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Samsung S10. You can have a look. This is S10. For those who doesn't know it, you first put the phone off. As you can see, the screen has blacked out. So here you press the volume up, side button and the power button all together at the same time, and when the logo pops up, you let go the power button and press on and keep on pressing the volume up and let the side button. You see, it has not formatted. If it fails, you have to use an USB. You first let it and first see the charging logo, see it's charging before you proceed anything. Then from there you press the same buttons, volume up, sound button and the power button all together at the same time. You let go the power button and the screen animation pops up. Then you keep on pressing volume up and the side button. Keep on pressing them until you see the interface of as you can check it out, it will show this interface. Then here you use volume down to look for where you can see wipe data or factory reset. Then you use power button to select. Again, volume down, go in the factory reset, use power button to select. After clicking it, you will see wiping stuff. Then when it brings this interface, you click on the reboot system because you have already formatted this phone forever. Then you have to be patient on this point because it takes kinda some time after formatting it. You have to be patient until the screen pops up. I've tried to speed up the video so that it doesn't take long, but you have to wait for it until it finishes. Then after finishing, you run the setup wizard of the phone like normal phones. You allow terms and conditions, click next, skip on the Wi-Fi, click next on copy data, again later. On data you can set another time on Google privacy, so accept. Password you just skip anyway. Start the phone fresh. So you can check it out, it's now done, totally done, so that it can be used. This is Samsung S10s. So thank you guys for watching till the end. Please subscribe this channel for more tech videos in case you want to know. Or if you want anything, just check it out in the description.